So let's see what other cards we get uh, in terms of. So in, like I said, in the coming new months, in the coming few months, many good things are going to happen for you. And since I'm again and again saying, new month, I feel there is some message in that too. Maybe in the coming months, something beautiful is going to happen for you. Yeah, you being asked to listen to your intuition, so continue listening to your intuition. Yeah, follow that. Let's see what other messages we get from our spirit team. Yeah, I think you're going to enter a very beautiful timeline, wherein you will have a lot of people who help you a lot. You'll be surrounded by a lot of helpful people, which is a very beautiful energy to receive. Let's see what other things we get in the cards. Yeah, I think, see, this card is saying you're ready. And if you see Goddess Isis is there in this picture. So this is like a beautiful energy. You're literally ready. And start doing the things that you want to, right now. Beautiful energy of Goddess Isis, if you can see here in the picture. Yeah. And be assertive. So keep your boundaries, be assertive, and go ahead. That is the message that I'm getting. I'll also pull out some other oracle cards from some other deck and see what other blessings are entering your life, at this point of time. So let's see. This is like a double confirmation. I again got the abundance card. So definitely a lot of abundance is going to come into your card, into your life. And then I got the travel card. So travel card also talks about you're going to travel a lot, it seems, because in this image, I see so many different countries. So maybe you will be traveling the world. That is what I see here. A lot of abundance is going to come into your life. Yeah, I think new doorways are opening for you. If you see in this picture, there are so many doors that are closed, and then finally a door is opening. So this is a very destined path for you. A lot of doors are going to open for you. Let's see what other cards we get. Yeah, see, this is a confirmation. Your spirit team is helping you. Loved ones in the spirit realm are helping you. So this could be your grandmother or a grandfather or your mother, father, whoever's passed away. Someone who's a loved one, who's guiding you from the other side. That is what I see here. Let's see what other cards we get. Yeah, I think you're going to have a lot of spiritual downloads. That is what I feel. Yeah, you're going to have great ideas in the near future, which is really going to help you go forward, in your life. That is what I feel. Yeah, see, the butterflies card is there. So this is also your spirit guides, but I also feel this also talks about you, transforming into this beautiful butterfly. You were in your caterpillar stage in the past. So you're definitely an alchemist who's transmuted so much. And now you're receiving all these beautiful blessings into your life. Yeah, the time is now. The time is in your favor right now. That is what I feel. Let's see what other cards we get. Yeah, I think this is also a period when you'll be able to buy some property for yourself. So you could land up buying an apartment or a house or a bungalow for yourself, or maybe a castle, who knows. You can have any kind of dreams, probably a mansion and a castle for yourself. So that is also possible. Yeah. Yeah, so keep dreaming. The cloud card is there. I also feel like you probably get messages through the cloud formations. So spirit is also talking to you through clouds. So do notice the clouds when you're outside, in nature. That is what I feel. Let's see what other cards we get. Yeah, tree of life. So definitely I think a lot of abundant energy is going to come in your life, and I feel like this is a very healing energy and a very grounding energy in your life. Let's see what other cards we get. Yeah, I think your chakras will be balanced, and in case if they are not, you being asked to probably, have a chakra clearing done either through a Reiki healer or any other form of healing. But definitely, all your chakras will come into alignment. That is what I feel in this phase. And spiritually, all your chakras will be balanced. That is what I feel. And in case if they are imbalanced, then do go to a healer. Yeah, either through me or anyone else that you know of, because I'm a Reiki healer too. I'll just try to pull out one or two oracle cards and end the reading here. So it's been a beautiful reading, but let's see what other messages Spirit wants to give you in terms of this journey. What are they trying to tell you? Yeah, I think you're entering a period wherein you're going to really triumph a lot. Lot of success, lot of expansion is going to happen in your life. So congratulations, and let's see what other cards we get. View from above. Get the bigger picture. So I think you're able to see the bigger picture, like I had said. And trust me, once you climb the ladder, the view is going to be very beautiful from there. Yeah, that is also what it means. Yeah, you've been overcoming a lot of obstacles. That is what I see here. You can overcome anything. That is what your spirit guides want to know. And again, I got that itchy feeling, so it's a confirmation, double confirmation. Let me see. uh, let me pull out another card and I'll end the reading. Yeah, rainbow blessings. So blessings are definitely showering in your life. So rainbow could also be a sign. So if recently you've seen a rainbow, this is a double confirmation for you. And blessings are definitely showering into your life. So I would like to end the reading here. I hope you enjoyed the reading, and I'll see you in my next reading. Thank you so much.